great thing that will help you people to get a free YouTube video. Even my own channel, this channel that you are seeing is a story channel. I put so many Mandinka story also there. So if you want, you can just go and follow and subscribe. You can get any video in this channel that I'm showing you, that is Sparta King Sparta story. So what I want to tell you people is, like, without doing this method, you cannot use my video. So if you want to use these videos, you have to follow the steps that I'm going to show you people, so that you can get a free video that you can upload. It depends which kind of videos that you want, and if these videos will be live in YouTube, then you're going to download it from YouTube to put it inside your own YouTube channel, without no copyright, without no block, without no problem, without no YouTube telling you that you have violated this, you have violated this. There's nothing about it. Okay, so what you're gonna look is, like, when you say the top 10 fastest trend, or you can say top funny video in 2021 or 2020. Okay, top funny videos. Okay, let me add 2021. Okay, so here we are. You see this video get 560,000 just 5 months. In this one, in 6 days, video get 184,000. So it is a lot of these videos that you can take and re-upload again in YouTube without a problem. This funniest animals beat of the 2021 funny animal video. This guy get 25 million just 2 weeks. Okay, so how you gonna do this is, like, just came to filter up here. Let me just close it again. Up here, when you start the video, then you see this thing called filter. So when you click that filter, they will show you maybe today upload, last week, hours, month, year. So what you're gonna do is, like, came direct, don't touch nothing, just came direct to here, photo, and you will see like something like Creative Commons. Click Creative Commons. When you click Creative Commons, you see all these videos are here for free. All these videos are free. How can you use these videos is, just came here and, like, to be 100% sure that you can use this video, what you're gonna do is came here. You see they said launching Creative Commons attribution license reuse allow. So you can use this video without no problem. Okay, so what are you going to do to have the possibility to use this video? It's like, just download the video like this. You copy. When you have a website that you can use to download, it is very, very easy. You can just put it there and download it. Me, I'm using 4K downloader, and it is very, very easy. Just put your link there and copy it. Then the video is loading now. It is downloading very faster. Very good application also. So now I'm gonna copy the name of the title of the video. This is an affiliate marketing, I'm not interested. Okay, so now here you came to your channel. This is my channel also. It's a funny video, but it's a very small channel, so I don't. Okay, so here, okay, so now the video is going now. So what we're gonna do is, you see now it is uploaded with the title. We're gonna just put something like this, and now down here we set video made by Kemia. Take the name of the channel so that they will also be happy, because some of them used to write under their description. At least when you use the video, just write something like this, and we'll be more happier to get to make more video to upload also for you people. So Kemia, then I'm not even gonna put it on list. I will just put it public directly, and you see directly. If there is a copyright, you will see instantly here will say none. Here we say, you see, here said restriction none. All of this is one of the videos that I upload and just got viral. Boom, 14,000 views. So now we have to wait for that the video that you are looking. Came to filter, you came to creative comment. Boom, you are there. You can download any video. Okay, so let's go back and see. You see the video, it is done now, and there's no restrict there, no copyright. And it's the same video that I show you people, so there's nothing that will someone can say that it's a scam or something like that. You see, 29 October and the same date here. You see this guy just want to make this dog to run. You see? That's it. So please don't forget to subscribe and share to Sparta King Sparta.